guys, have a good day all. Just sharing my garden today. This is all Okinawa sweet potatoes, and there is my boss Thailand for me, and he did a good job, guys. He got a brand new trailer, and he's excited. And this is my second crop of Pinoy corn, and this is my purple sweet potatoes, and I need to plant more. And it's everything here.